How to publish a draft on Kahoot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to publish the draft on Kahoot. If you've created a quiz or game on Kahoot and saved it as a draft, you might be wondering how to take that draft live and share it with your audience. Don't worry, it's a simple process, so let's dive right in. First things first, open your web browser, search for Kahoot, and make sure you're logged into your account. Now, once logged in, tap on the three horizontal lines and simply go to Library and go to Kahoots. Now here you can find an option called drafts. Tap on it and simply choose the draft that you want to post. Here you can simply edit the draft before you post it. You can make any final edits to the quiz here, add or remove question, change answers, or adjust settings. Once you're happy with how it looks, simply tap on save. Now all you need to do is enter a title for your Kahoot. Simply tap on it. Simply you can choose the description as well. Once you've done that, simply go to return and tap on continue. Now as you can see, your Kahoot is ready. You can simply share it with anyone that you want. You can copy the game pin or share the link provided by Kahoot to invite others to play your quiz. And that's it. That's how you can publish a draft quiz on Kahoot.